Hello, Bob Hogan here with Barcode Shack. We're going to take a quick look at utilizing Wasp Inventory Cloud to do an assembly transaction, but it's going to be a really simple one because simply what we want to do with this transaction is convert a large roll of labels into 12 small rolls of labels. So just a quick background. The assembly transaction essentially takes raw materials and makes new finished goods. Well, with this one, we just have one bill of material rather than multiple bills of material. So let's jump into it and show you how it's done. Here are the two part numbers. We have the raw material right here, okay? And this will make 12 rolls of this finished good right here. So if you see, we have 10 large rolls, and right now we have 0 small rolls. So let's just jump into the transaction. So on the left-hand side here, you would click Build. Then we would select the item. I just so happen to have a barcode. There we go. It's going to ask how many do I want to make. I'm just going to make one, which is going to be 12 rolls. So you always have to get your conversion right. So we're just going to add this to the transaction. We will click Next. We will highlight this. We will pull this from Inventory 1. We will update. Now it's green. Go to Next. And essentially, we can build this. We can print a label for the finished good, which would be 12 rolls of labels when we click Build. There we go. We have built 12 rolls, so essentially one case, right? And here's our barcode. If we go back and take a look at View Items, we will now see that we have 9 large rolls, a quantity of 1, which equals 12 rolls to a case. So it is that simple. Much appreciated. Thanks.